Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is Friday evening. It is 6:20 p.m. and this is my last week off work before I start my new job. So I decided I should probably clean up my fridge and organize it, kind of take inventory of what I have so I can make a grocery list and hopefully buy some more groceries tomorrow, over the weekend, and Monday that I have off next week. So I can prep my lunches for work and everything. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what my fridge looks like. I have all the kids' stuff on here. So this is my freezer. We still have quite a bit of our quarantine food left over, so I want to kind of take inventory of that, try to use up as much as we can. And then this is our fridge, and as you can see, it's very messy. Like, there's no order to it whatsoever. So I just want to start by taking everything out and yeah, kind of go from there. So I took everything out of the freezer right here. It's all empty except that ice cream. I have hash browns, lots of berry mixes, some frozen corn, frozen peas, frozen chicken, frozen chopped vegetable mix. I just used one up today for the chicken noodle soup. Some rice and broccoli and green beans. So I'm just gonna make a list of, write this down really quick on a piece of paper that I have this. Oh, and frozen pierogies. And then so we can use this up next week, and then we'll move on to putting this back in the freezer. So that looks much better. I put the ice cream here, hash browns, and I made everything kind of spaced out so I can see right away what's in here when I open the freezer. This is my frozen lemon slices for like very hot tea, my vegetable mix, all the fresh, I guess, frozen veg or fruits and berries, my rice and broccoli, and then my green beans, corn and peas, the pierogies, and then this is just ice packs. So that looks a lot better. And let's go move on to the fridge. I took everything out of the fridge. Like this is what I have out. This is old food to throw away, things like that. A few things here, and then all the other stuff is over here. And I kind of put it out so I can see what it is. And then here's my fridge. It looks pretty dirty, especially this drawer with the onions. So what I'm gonna do is just wipe it real quick and then start organizing. my organization. And please let me know if I'm not the only one, but this is what keeps this little guy occupied while mommy cleans. Anyways, here's what the fridge looks like. As you can see, it's so much better and quite emptier, so that means we need to go grocery shopping. So I just moved, like, I took everything out and then I put everything back in. So these are like all the condiments, and here too, and here. And this is just all the baby food that I give my kid. I didn't have a place to put it. I feel like if I had like a little container, then it would be nice to put it over here. But for now, this will do. So I just put like the Chick-fil-A sauce, feta cheese in the back, little baby cheeses, yogurt, more baby food. This is my elderberry syrup. This is eggs, some salmon, like sandwich meat and cheese. Here's some bread, and then milk, cream, and whipping cream, some juice, and then in the chill drawer I have all my produce, like the hearts of romaine, some fresh herbs, carrot, celery, and here, oh, I have a stray one. In here I put the cheese and the tortillas, and then in here I have my potatoes, garlic, and onions. I have more to put in there for later, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's so much better. And then a side by side. Definitely, like when you open it, you can see exactly what's in there without wondering what you have and don't have. So I'm pretty happy with all of the way it turned out. Excuse my hair, it's quite messy, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I cleaned everything out, did a quick wash through of the fridge, cleaned out the drawers, rinsed them out with water, and just organized everything. And and now we are disorganizing everything. As you can see, my little inventory taker is making sure everything's good. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and go ahead and clean out your fridge if it's been quite a while. You'll be surprised how messy it is. I didn't think it would be this dirty until I took everything out and saw how many stains there are. But now the job is done. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow and kind of take it easy as I start my first job. He was trying to bite the sweet potato. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos and for more content like this. Thank you, everyone. Bye.